Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, another long ear. I have lost count of how many fish I've caught today. This thing is red as a tomato. We have one. Good cast, good cast. Oh, dude, that was crazy. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be fishing a small creek for whatever bites. This morning when I came out here, I wasn't expecting to catch any fish, but I've already caught 5 amazing fish, so I decided to start filming. Let's go. Okay, we made it to the fishing spot. Today I'm throwing this. It's a little micro trout lure. Like I said, when I came out there this morning, I caught 5 nice sunfish with this. First cast, and we already got a bite. And, oh, we had a fish on. I'm just gonna put on some actual bait and see how they react. I'll switch back to lures later. All right, I switched to the crappie nibbles. We should be able to catch more fish with this. Not big fish though, but more fish. And that's what I want to catch, is more fish. They're looking at the bobber, not the bait. We have one. Oh yes, it's a long ear. Dude, look at this thing. Get him back. All right, let's not waste any time. Let's get back out there. Oh, that's a good cast. Got him. Yes. Another beautiful long ear. Let's put him back. That's an name, Bill. Got her. Nice. Beautiful fish. Let's put her back. Bye, buddy. Bobber's still floating. Got a bite. Bobber is not down yet. Now it is. Oh. Back out there, right in the middle this time. Got one. Oh, another bluegill. We're going back there. Yeah, that's it right there. Oh, they're coming far and wide to eat this bait. We got a contestant. Nice. It's okay, girl. Just gonna go ahead and unhook you. Toss you back. This is 1 out of 4 different spots, so you're definitely gonna want to stay to the end. See how many fish I end up catching in total. Yep. Got one. Put her back where she belongs. Oh, there they are. And we got a fish. Dude, this is so crazy. Another fish. Let's get back out there. Bobber's still floating. Not anymore. This is the smallest one, I think. Yep, smallest fish of the day. And I'm not complaining. By far the fattest one of the day. See a fishy. Let's get out there and get it. Nice. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, another long ear. Yes. Thing is red as a tomato. Literally my favorite species of fish to catch. They're so beautiful. You know what, girl? You're so pretty, I'm gonna get underwater release footage of you. That's how special you are. Bobber's afloat. Still afloat. Oh, we got a bite. Bobber's down. That's a good one. That's a good one. What a beauty. Got another one. Let's get her home. Let me keep that. Right in the middle. Oh, we have... Got one. Oh, man. They're right in the middle. I have an idea. 3, 2, 1. Fish on! Dude, I counted down. Dude, you are a fat little boy. That's a good thing, though. It's a good thing. See you later. Good job. Good cast. Good cast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! He was there the whole time. Another long ear. Let's get her back. Free. Got her. All right, I think that is gonna be it for this spot. Let's move on. Next spot. We found another spot. It looks amazing. Let's get down there. That's a good cast. That's a good cast right there. Right by all the rocks. Yeah, we have a fish. Got one. That's a decent one, I think. Oh, let's go! New species unlocked. Green sunfish. Those fins are crazy. What a beautiful green sunfish. He's gonna toss it back. Boom! Immaculate. That's a fish-worthy cast. And there we go. I called it. Another greenie. Yep, another greenie. Second green sunfish. Right there. Oh my God, no, we're in a tree again. And we have a fish. That's just like not okay. We have a fish on in the tree. No. No. Yes. You're welcome, buddy. What? Another new species. I used to know what these fish were called. I think it's a red ear. All right, I think these fish are called red ear, but I'm not entirely sure. If anyone knows, please let me know in the comments down below. Let's get her back. I have lost count of how many fish I've caught today. You guys will see on your screen, but I do not know how many fish. So I switched up to the beetle spin lure. This should definitely catch some greenies. Okay, now. We are going to move. We're gonna put it in the rocks. Right there, drop it down a bit. Oh, we got a bite. Fish on. Green sunfish on the beetle spin. This one's crazy. No! There he goes. I was gonna get some underwater footage, but you know what? There are plenty of fish for that. Got one. Dude, that was not a sunfish. That was a bass. Fish on. Got her. on the beetle spin. Good cast, good cast. Oh, dude, that was crazy. Oh. This stick right here is why I didn't catch him. That was a big greenie, dude. That thing, I saw him flash and take it. That was crazy, dude. Got one. Nice. Another greenie. Dude, look how fat this one is. This is the fattest green sunfish of the day. Go ahead and get her back. If you're ever fishing a tiny creek that you know has green sunfish in it, I 100% recommend the beetle spin. I mean, what a legend this lure is. Got one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There we go. Let's get out there. Money cast, money cast, money cast. We're getting a fish on this cast. Got one. I knew we would, dude. I knew we would. This spot's loaded with greenies. I didn't even feel the bite. I just knew he was there and set the hook. Okay, they're not biting anymore. It's time to change up spots. This spot looks a tad bit fishy. Let's throw a cast out there. Oh, we do have a fish. Got him. Where'd he go? He's over here. Nice. Let's go. Get her back. Let's keep moving down. We just found a really good spot. Right here. Okay, they're right by this log. Let's get it. We got one. Nice. Another green sunfish. Another pretty greenie. Let's get her home. Okay, we're moving on. Oh, there's so many, dude. Got a big one. Yeah. Yes. Amazing fish. Alright everyone, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you did enjoy, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on part 2, because I will be making a part 2 based on how many fish we caught today. Anyway, see you next time. Here we go. That is actually really embarrassing. That's not going in the video. Again? How am I that dumb that I forgot to open it twice? Here we go now. Alright everyone, so that's, I hate doing this. What do you mean your GoPro turned itself off because it ran out of battery? It's at 22%. So we're getting this out. We're getting this out. I got these at Bass Pro like yesterday. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. Aren't you guys ever gonna get like bored of barking?